Welcome to the microcosmos, a realm where the tiny reigns supreme. Today, we dive into the fascinating life of rotifers, minuscule aquatic creatures that are marvels of resilience and survival. These creatures, less than a millimeter in size, boast a complexity that belies their small stature. Their name, rotifer, derives from the Latin words rota, meaning wheel, and fer, to bear. This name comes from the crown of cilia around their mouths that, when in motion, resembles a turning wheel. This unique feature is not just for show. It creates a vortex, drawing in food particles and aiding in their feeding. There are over 2,000 known species of rotifer, each adapted to its specific environment. Despite their size, rotifers are complex, with a complete digestive system, a brain, muscles, and even reproductive organs. Remarkably, many rotifer species are parthenogenetic. They are predominantly female and can reproduce without males, creating genetic clones of themselves. Rotifers are not just biological curiosities. They are survivors. In unfavorable conditions, some species can enter a desiccated state known as cryptobiosis. In this state, they can survive extreme conditions from drought to freezing temperatures for years, only to reanimate when conditions improve. Though tiny and often overlooked, rotifers are testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on our planet. In the vast tapestry of nature, they remind us that even the smallest beings have stories worth telling.